How to turn on two-factor authentication on Squarespace, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on two-factor authentication on Squarespace, easy and quick. First open your browser and then click account settings. Now once you're here, click account and security. Now click two-factor authentication, and here you will find the authentication app or text message. Now just select anything you want and click setup, and that's it. Now select your email, and here type your phone number and then click send code and keep managing it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.